Hello, friends. Are you tired of the same old travel blogs about New York City? Are you looking for something more than just the usual tourist spots? Well, buckle up because in this video, we are diving deep into the hidden gems that they don't tell you in the routine travel guides. Our adventure begins in the vibrant Dumbo neighborhood of Brooklyn. Our mission? To uncover the lesser known treasures that the city has to offer. Our day one started with a mouth-watering breakfast egg salad sandwich at Bread and Spread, a local favorite that kickstarted our day with a burst of flavors. While wandering the streets, we stumbled upon Pedro, a creatively painted Mexican restaurant. It showed us that sometimes the most memorable meals come from the unexpected. As we strolled along the Brooklyn waterfront near the iconic Brooklyn Bridge, we were captivated by the mesmerizing views of the Manhattan skyline and East River. The gentle breeze and the lively atmosphere turned this leisurely walk into an unforgettable experience. And speaking of bridges, the Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan Bridge, and Williamsburg Bridge stand as magnificent testaments to the city's historic innovation. Our journey continued to Christopher Park, where history meets progress. This place commemorates the Stonewall Uprising, a pivotal moment in the LGBTQ rights movement. The Gay Liberation Monument stands tall, reminding us of the journey towards equality. In the West Village, we stood before the iconic Friends apartment building located at the corner of Bedford and Grove Street. It brought back nostalgic memories of the beloved series which we all loved. Of course, no trip to New York is complete without indulging in some sweet treats. Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding lived up to its reputation, leaving us craving for more. In the charming cobblestone streets of the meatpacking district, history meets trendiness. Trendy boutiques, chic restaurants, and vibrant nightlife awaits. We also had an opportunity to step into the Bulgari showroom, which was celebrating its 75th anniversary with a stunning serpentine collection. And when it comes to dinner, Gallagher Steakhouse's display of aged steaks in a glass enclosure truly made our carnivorous hearts sing. As the day wound down, we found ourselves amidst the dazzling lights and lively atmosphere of Times Square, reminding us that New York truly is the city that never sleeps. Day two led us to Central Park, a serene oasis within the city's bustling heart. On the way, we came across Grand Central Station, an architectural marvel which took us back in time with its stunning design and intricate details. In Midtown, we discovered a surprising fusion of fashion and coffee at a Ralph Lauren coffee stall. Yes, Ralph Lauren coffee stall, I know. I was also surprised. And right next to it is the St. Patrick's Church and a magnificent Atlas statue in the Rockefeller Center. Our journey wasn't short of surprises. From Trump impersonators right in front of the Trump Tower to passionate demonstrators, the streets of New York City have stories to tell. Step into Central Park, a cherished urban oasis graced by the captivating ancestor sculpture at its entrance, a creation by the gifted Indian sculptor Bharti Kher. Feel the excitement of the moment. Craving a delightful bite? Savor the excellence of Nathan's famous hot dogs, celebrated not only for their mouth-watering flavor, but also their iconic stature, magnified by the yearly spectacle of the hot dog eating contest. Uncover the boundless expanses of Central Park astride electric bicycles, embarking on a scenic cycling escapade that unveils breathtaking vistas of luxuriant landscapes, graceful bridges, and tranquil lakes. Stroll alongside the lake, spotting turtles, and where the air is adorned with the aura of wedding snapshots and heartfelt proposals, infusing an air of romance into the surroundings. On the Upper West Side, we couldn't resist the temptation of Levain Bakery's famed walnut cookie, a heavenly delight for any sweet tooth. The evening was a crescendo of excitement as we enjoyed the Broadway musical Hadestown, an experience that truly embodies the city's cultural richness. On our third and final day, we explored the unique Dumbo Flea Market under the Brooklyn Bridge, a treasure trove of local crafts and some intriguing finds. A trip to New York is not complete without trying its gourmet pizza. Experience a symphony of flavors from the classic margarita to avant-garde toppings. Don't miss out on the iconic smash burgers and creamy frozen custard. Take a ferry ride for breathtaking views from the Statue of Liberty standing tall in the distance to the stunning vistas of Lower Manhattan, the Freedom Tower, and the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Marvel at the cityscape with glimpses of Midtown Manhattan's architectural marvels like the Chrysler Building and the majestic Empire State Building. Later, we embraced the flavors of Mexico at Los Tacos #1, savoring their mouth-watering tacos and authentic drinks such as the horchata. A leisurely walk along the Brooklyn waterfront was the perfect way to unwind as the city's lights danced on the water. As the sun set, we wrapped up our journey at the Time Out Market, indulging in a diverse range of culinary delights from various vendors. In the city that never sleeps, every moment is a memory waiting to be made. Make your New York trip truly unforgettable. Take care. Till we meet next time with another exciting video for you. Bye-bye.